Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin the repair of your Thermomix TM5 control unit, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a set of spanners. You will also need a soft cloth for cleaning and some isopropyl alcohol for any necessary sanitization. Start by unplugging the device to ensure safety. Next, remove the base cover by unscrewing the screws located at the bottom of the Thermomix. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the base cover is off, you will see the internal components. Carefully inspect the control unit for any visible damage or loose connections. If you notice any dirt or debris, use the soft cloth and isopropyl alcohol to clean the area gently. This can often resolve minor issues without further intervention. If the control unit appears intact but the device is still malfunctioning, it may require a more in-depth diagnosis. At this point, if this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can help identify the problem without any commitment on your part. Next, locate the screws securing the control unit. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Be cautious not to strip them, as this can complicate reassembly. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the control unit out of its housing. Inspect the wiring connections to ensure they are secure. If any wires appear frayed or disconnected, they will need to be repaired or replaced. If you're unsure about handling this, consider our collection and delivery at your home service. We can pick up your Thermomix, repair it, and return it to you without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple, efficient service. After checking the connections, if everything looks good, you can proceed to reassemble the control unit. Place it back into its housing and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure everything is tightened properly to avoid any future issues. Before replacing the base cover, it's a good idea to test the device. Plug it back in and turn it on to see if the control unit is functioning correctly. If it is still not working, you may need to consider a more extensive repair. Remember, we provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect in terms of cost. Once you've confirmed that the control unit is functioning, replace the base cover and secure it with the screws. Make sure everything is aligned properly to avoid any rattling or loose parts. Finally, give your Thermomix a thorough clean on the outside to ensure it looks as good as new. Regular maintenance can prolong the life of your appliance and enhance its performance. If you encounter any difficulties during this process, don't hesitate to reach out for professional assistance. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.